Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now as you can tell, I'm not sure if it's really visible, but my hair is wet, and it is wet for a reason. That is because in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna show you my post hair wash or post shower hair care routine. Now I have applied a rubber hair band, but I'm going to remove it because I want to show you the products I apply. Now these products, I keep changing them, but most of the days I feel I find myself going and getting these products out. Now the first thing I have been using lately, like honestly I have been loving this what you say hairspray, which is from Alps Goodness. I think it's a very nice and a lightweight formulation. So what I do is towards my what are these called, tips, okay. I feel like when I spray this thing, it just makes my tips much more manageable throughout the day, and it also makes my that part really hydrated, because my this hair gets really oily and this part is really dry, and I think that's with most of us. So for that I have been using this. Now the next thing I apply is on my scalp. Now I have a couple of hair serums I keep alternating between because I'm trying new products out as well, but this is something my dermat had told me, so I try and apply this at least like 4 times a week or 3 times a week at least, and that is this one, this serum. I'm gonna try and link this in the description box below, which is the Quantico Hair Serum Pro, which has Procapil, Keravis, Redensil, and it also has caffeine. So this is for the scalp. So what I do is I just kind of spray a few pumps over here like that. You also get a similar formulation which I had looked out for, which is from Minimalist, and they also had like a very similar formulation. So yeah, at one point when I was not able to get this from my medical, I got that from the Minimalist. So I'll link that in the description box as well. You can check that out. And this does not really do anything to smoothen your hair or anything. This is just to make your hair stronger and longer and reduce hair fall, because that is a problem that I face. So I do go in and apply this. And guys, it's a very honest, like I'm genuinely gonna get ready after this, and which is why my part 2 to this part 1 video is gonna be like skincare. This was my hair care, and the part 2 is gonna be my current skincare, which I think is slightly different now because now winter is starting to settle in, like not really settle in, but winter is coming, so that's why I just laugh winter is coming, because I think that's the thing from Game of Thrones, isn't it? So anyways, I just massage that into my scalp, and I do all this while my hair is relatively wet. Now my hair is kind of like, my front hair is sort of drying, this part is wet, if you can tell, but I do this when my hair is a little bit more wetter. Okay, now the last thing I do apply, and I think I like to apply because I love the smell of this. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it's a very good smell, and once you start using it, you will love it. This is the Bedhead TIGI. It's a very good after hair wash, like leave-in conditioner, and this is slightly on the expensive-ish side, I believe. It is, yeah, it retails for 1250. Okay, so for me, yes, it's a little bit on the more expensive side, and I'm just gonna take like a little bit because my hair is only very little bit, and I need very little bit because my hair is also very straight. So I just rub it on my palms, and then I just kind of do this. I don't apply too much, guys, because as you know, my hair is already straight. So if I apply too much, my hair looks all the more flatter, So I just apply a little bit, and this front part I never apply because like this part always gets very flat like that. So my front part I try to keep like nothing on that part of my hair, and yeah, and now I just let my now I just let my hair air dry. And when I am drying out when my hair is drying, if I want my hair, oh my god, to be slightly curly, I do tie it up in a bun, And honestly, most of the time I just use a rubber band, because after my, like, you know, once I apply all my hair products, I like for my hair to kind of get dry. So yeah, okay, so I just do this and then I start with my skincare. So this is my genuine and honest hair care routine post shower, post hair wash, and I do this, again, the products keep changing here and then there. So when I you know, do like try out some other, not try out, when I use a couple of other products, I'll make another video as well and show you guys. But this is one combo of product which I love, which is the Alps Goodness. If you have drier hair, you guys might genuinely want to invest in this product because it really hydrates your skin as well. Then, like I said, this is something my dermat recommended, but I will give a substitute to this one, which is from The Minimalist, and this is just a leave-in hair serum which I apply because it's the, honestly, the thing is, my boyfriend suggested I try this out and I loved it because it has this beautiful pink color, and if you know me at all, I love pink, which is so like childish to say, but I love, like, when there's anything pink, I just feel like my full body gravitates towards those products. So yeah, this is my current hair care routine, and yeah, I really hope it helps you guys. If you want some different type of recommendations, let me know in the description box, not description box, let me know in the comments below if you want something more high-end, something more affordable, something for different hair type. Let me know. Also, my boyfriend has curly hair, so sometimes, you know, I'm gonna, even my mother-in-law, she has drier hair, rougher hair. My mother has like very unmanageable hair, so I have people with different my dad has really like thin hair, like male balding pattern is like setting in. So I have a lot of people with different hair concerns, and I am, you know, gonna give them different products to try out, and once they give me the reviews of those products, I will share them with you guys as well. But my boyfriend, for one, has curly hair, so if you want some products for curly hair, let me know in the description box below, and I will you know, let you guys know the products that he uses and how they work and all of that. But yeah, this is what you can apply for straight hair and dry hair, and I think I've rambled quite a bit again. But yeah, I really hope this video helps you out. You try these products out, and I will see you very soon in my next video, part 2 for this video, which is going to be my skincare. So I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye. I hope this video helps you. Like it, comment and subscribe, and do share if you want to share it, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.